Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today we are again going to analyze Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Well, before analyzing Nifty and Bank Nifty, let me tell you how market moved today. Well, if you have seen the today's market, then in the beginning it is opened somewhat positive, then it has gone a little bit down, then it stayed there for half of the day. Thereafter it has just moved up and it has moved around 97 points today. So now let's analyze the market. First we'll be analyzing chart and we'll be finding Nifty support and resistance. We are also going to find out the support and resistance for Bank Nifty as well. Here the Nifty chart is open. So you can see this is the support. Support is at 13,123. Well, why is it support? Because there Nifty touched multiple times and it could not break that level, or else if once it has been broken, Nifty just moved up. Well, where is resistance? Well, resistance I cannot determine because there are not enough points to find out the resistance. So I'll be taking the resistance 300 points above this support. It is the Nifty weekly range. The same I'll be taking as a resistance. Now let's move to the Bank Nifty. If you see the Bank Nifty, then you can easily see that the support is at 29,868. Well, this is the support because at this point Nifty touched multiple times, and once this Nifty touched this point and it has moved above this point, then Nifty definitely moved up. This is the support. Where the resistance will be? Well, you cannot find out the resistance because there are not much point to draw the resistance. So I'll be taking the resistance 2000 point above. So this is the analysis of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, support and resistance based on charts. Now let's move to the another part and find out why Nifty and Bank Nifty moved today. Who are the market movers which moved the market that much? Now let's first analyze market movers which moved the market greater than 3% or less than negative 3%. Well, I could not find any stock under Nifty 50 which moved the market less than negative 3%. So these are the stocks which moved the market greater than 3%. Well, first is Adani Ports. After this news of cargo volume growth rises 10% year on year, it is gaining continuously and today it gained 3.59%. Bharti Airtel gains as a co-pips Jio in monthly mobile subscriber addition after 4 years. Once this news broke out, Bharti Airtel is consistently gaining. Today it gained 3.19%. Well, UPA, it was consolidating in November. Today it did break out, and after this breakout it has gained 4.56%. Well, let's talk about Hindu Unilever. It was consolidating after 24th of November 2020. Now today it break out and made a gain of 3.24%. Discuss ONGC. Well, it is all-time favorite because it has become all-time favorite. Nowadays it is gaining too much. And why it is gaining? Well, I have already told you in my last video, last to last video, and from beginning of my this Nifty analysis, ONGC is gaining because of the rise of oil demand. If oil demand rises, then definitely oil related company are going to make the profit, whoever are in exploration business. Now let's move to the another part, upcoming meetings. Well, these are the upcoming meetings: AKG XM Limited, BLB Limited, Meenakshi Textile Limited. Now let's move to the next. Now let's move to the events. Well, these are the events which are being held on 11th and 14th. Since there are not much event tomorrow, so we will not be discussing this event. Still, I have included it in my video because I wanted you to know this in advance, that these are the events which are going to happen in upcoming days or in next week or this week. Now let's move to the next, index change and VIX. Well, first let's talk about VIX. VIX is 18.03. So if VIX is below 25, it means it is low VIX. So you can sell option and make money without any major losses. So VIX is low, you can easily sell options and make money. Now let's see the Nifty. Well, Nifty made a high of 13,366.65 and made a low of 13,241.95, and it has ended up at 13,355.75. It changed 0.73% with 97.2 points. Bank Nifty made a high of 30,354.20 and low of 29,950.60, and it has ended at 30,211.55. It made a change of 0.53%, and point wise it changed 159.15. Now let's move to the next, which is our open interest, Nifty open interest. So let's see what weekly picture is saying. Well, weekly picture, if you see, then here the put has been sold more than call. I have told you many times this put and call data is cumulative, still I am telling it as a selling, because most of the put data or put contracts, open interest and change in open interest happens out of the money. Hence I'll be considering it as a selling, because nobody will buy out of the money or nobody will sell in the money. So that's why this data indicates majority of the selling. So selling is happening in put options. It means weekly picture is showing that Nifty is going to go up. Now let's analyze today's scenario and what it indicating for tomorrow's. Well, if you see the today's scenario as well, then today also put has been sold more than calls. It means market is going to go up, and it is indicating that the tomorrow also market will go up. Now let's discuss Bank Nifty. What Bank Nifty is saying. If we analyze the Bank Nifty open interest, then you will be able to see that the put has been sold more than calls. It means that market is going to go up in Bank Nifty as well. Now let's see the today's scenario, what it is indicating for tomorrow's. Well, if you see this change in open interest in Bank Nifty, then put has been sold more than call. It means Bank Nifty was supposed to go up, but the difference was not huge. That's why it could not move. Well, if we see the today's market in the first half, then we could easily say that market was not moving much, and it was just like doing drama. So that's why in my Telegram group I told you to sell the next expiry options out of the money. Well, still we did the gap of 300 points, so we'll be safe till this expiry ends, and definitely I'll be adjusting my positions if time comes. So stay tuned on my Telegram channel as well. Now let's discuss Nifty open interest distribution. If you will see the open interest distribution, then you will be able to analyze that the support of this Nifty open interest is at 13,200 and the resistance is at 13,500. Well, if you see the 13,200 and 13,000 open interest contracts, then the difference is not that much. So you can take the support 13,000 also. If you see the resistance, then the resistance is at 13,500, and the 13,500 resistance and 13,600 resistance do not have much of the difference, so you can take the resistance to as a 13,600 as well. Now let's discuss Nifty change in open interest. So if you see the change in open interest distribution, then you will be able to analyze that the support is at 13,300 and the resistance is at 13,600. Well, this change in open interest indicates the today's scenario as well as it indicates how traders are planning for tomorrow. So support and resistance, you can easily see support is at 13,300 and the resistance is at 13,600. Now let's move to the next Bank Nifty and analyze the Bank Nifty open interest distributions. Bank Nifty open interest distribution, if you will see, then you will be able to say that the support is at 29,000 and the resistance is at 13,500. Well, if you see resistance, then 30,500 and 31,000 do not have much of the difference in open interest, so you can take the resistance 31,000 as well, because it is the resistance too. This is the range for the Bank Nifty. If you see the open interest, it is the weekly range. Now let's go to the next, which is Bank Nifty change in open interest distribution, and find out where the support and resistance lies. Well, support, if you see the change in open interest wise, then the support is at 30,000 and the resistance which is at 30,500. Well, if you see the resistance of 13,500 and the 31,000, then you will be able to see that there is not much of the difference in open interest contract, so you can take the resistance as 31,000 as well, because there is not much gap. If you wanted to trade safe, then definitely you should take the support 2 and resistance 2 in your trading. Means you should sell at support 2 and resistance 2, so that your money will be more safe and you will not be in loss. Now let's move to the next, which is our FIIs and DIIs cash activities. Now if you see the cash activities of FIIs and DIIs, then you will be able to say in cash, it means in equity, FIIs are continuously buying and DIIs are continuously selling. Well, buying is happening more than selling, that's why the market is going up. Now let's move to the next index, FII, future and option activities. If you will see the future and option activities, well, I could not find the data of today. Maybe it is possible that FII didn't trade today in future or options, that's why the activities were less. Well, I cannot comment on that, but I searched on internet and I could not find any data about FII, DI of future. Now let's move to the next, which is final support and resistance. If you see the final support and resistance, before analyzing the final support and resistance, you should see where is the cash market of FII and DIIs. If you see the FIIs are continuously buying in this month and today as well. If you see the DII, then DIIs are continuously selling. Today also they were selling. And if you see the F&O, means future and option market, then I could not find any of the data about index or index future and option of FII. Now let's move to the next, which is our final support and resistance. I have analyzed this market. I have put down here the support and resistance based on our chart. I have already analyzed change in open interest, found out the support and resistance, and I have already analyzed open interest and change in open interest for Nifty and Bank Nifty as well, and found out the support and resistance. Now I am taking the final support and resistance based on this data. So if I say the where is the final support for Nifty, then the Nifty final support is at 13,123 and resistance is at 13,600. If you see the final support for Bank Nifty, it is at 29,000 and resistance is at 31,868. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and consider subscribing this channel.